if you're doing retail arbitrage to sell on Amazon, you can possibly lose out on a lot of money. What's up, guys? It's MissDaphneHustles. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be pretty quick. I just wanted to bring up a situation that happened with me recently selling on Amazon. I want to make this video because I know I have a lot of new subscribers, or I have a lot of subscribers that are new to the reselling world, more specifically selling on Amazon. And then I'm pretty sure I have some experienced resellers as well. So I wanted to bring up this situation in hopes that maybe we can receive some advice, some tips from people who have experienced this situation like I have. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, guys. So not too long ago, I went out to, well, before I get into that, the situation is about doing retail arbitrage and selling on Amazon. So if you don't know what retail arbitrage is when you go out to retail stores like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, whatever retail stores out there, you buy your goods and you turn around and sell them on marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, Mercari, Poshmark, and you pocket the difference. The reason why, essentially this is the business model for reselling in general, but the reason it's called retail arbitrage is because you are getting your merchandise from retail stores as opposed to getting them online or from a thrift store or a pallet or something like that. You're getting your goods from retail stores. That's why it's called retail arbitrage. So moving forward, about a month ago, I went to DD's. If you don't know what DD's is in the same chain with Ross Dress for Less. I went in there like usual. I always go into stores and for other reasons and then walk out with stuff to resell. So I went in there, they had some toys and stuff on sale. I picked up a few things. I bought a few things at regular price too, because really toys, because I was getting ready for fourth quarter. So I bought some things, I want to say for the stuff I shipped in, maybe 50-60 bucks. I packed the stuff up, labeled it, shipped it in Amazon, and then when they processed my box, it said they received 0 items. I thought it was crazy, so I refreshed the screen and everything. I'm like, well, how did they receive 0 items when I didn't ship in 0 items? I'm like what the hell? And so I'm like contacting Amazon, and at that time I couldn't figure out how to actually get in contact with them on the phone, because I'm already like peed. And they're, when reaching out for them, they're gonna always request the invoice. I tried everything, y'all. Try to speak to somebody over them, threatening, lawyers, like everything. Nothing worked. I even said I was out of town. I couldn't get access to my invoice, that they were inconveniencing me. I went every route. And eventually I just gave up because they wasn't budging. You needed an invoice. And that's what that is. So although retail arbitrage is not illegal, when you sell on Amazon, you have to have invoices for the stuff that you send in to prove that you are verified, or whatever the case is, to actually sell those products. And a lot of people that are resellers for Amazon do retail arbitrage. So I don't know because I see a lot of resellers who are out here buying all these products, spending a lot of money. And I'm talking probably making like $5 profits. Y'all know how hard it is to make a profit on Amazon. They go out spending $10-15 on stuff, making a $5 profit. Have y'all experienced this? Because if you experience this, you are losing a lot of money. So if you've experienced a situation like this, were you able to, rectify? Were you able to get your money back? So if you have, leave some tips down below for people who have, and hell, me too, because I couldn't get them people to budge. But the funny thing is I sent in something a couple of months before that. I had like a stack of dividers that I was selling. It was something for like 10 bucks a piece. I bought them for like $150. I think I was making about a $6 $5-6 profit on them, which was crazy, you know. And they lost my shipment or whatever it was, and they refunded me like $100. I want to say they refunded me the price that they were going to sell for. I didn't have no issue. They didn't ask me for an invoice, so I was, maybe it's just based on the person who responds to your inquiry. So I don't know, y'all. That's what I'm saying. It's a possibility in the case that, you know, they lose your inventory. In the case that they lose your inventory, I don't really know how you lose somebody's stuff. If you open a box, process it, how is the stuff getting lost? But Amazon will not even look into the situation, try and find it or figure out what happened if you do not provide them with an invoice. So that's what's happening there. And I wanted to bring this up to let you know, if you are doing retail arbitrage or if you're new to the industry, that this could possibly happen. And it is definitely not to scare you. I don't like when people give up on stuff just because something happens is not a reason to stop doing it. But it's a possibility that it can happen, and that's a lot of money, y'all, because we all know that, you know, with the cost of goods and then Amazon fees, especially FBA fees, your profits, it's really hard to make a decent profit selling on Amazon. You have to sell in very large quantities to really be making money on Amazon. And I would just throw this out there again, especially for the new people who are watching these videos of, because, you know, I'm not even gonna BS y'all. A lot of these people, a lot of these resellers, they show you the good part, but they don't show you the bad part. And you'll see these resellers going out and buying all this stuff when, in truth is, their money is not really coming from their money is not coming from reselling. The money is coming from you watching that video. You know, they're YouTubers, so that's how they're making a lot of money. So y'all don't be getting hung up on that and getting lost in the sauce or whatever that means. I don't know, I'm just saying something. But a lot of these resellers they're not showing you the real side of reselling. And you'll watch all these videos about them going out to Walmart and TJ Maxx and all this stuff and buying all these toys and taking these pictures with baskets full of crap and stuff like that. And realistically, y'all, they making $4 or $5 profits on that stuff, selling it on Amazon. That ain't where the money coming from. Or you'll see people posting their stats of them making 100K, 200K, stuff like that, y'all. That is not what they're pocketing. So do not get fooled by that, y'all. I'm just being honest with y'all. So, and I'm going off topic right now. So the whole point is, if you have experienced this, were you able to get the situation handled and get your money back? What did you do about it? Or not lost your shipment, but they just, I don't know. Y'all, I don't even know the process of what's happening in Amazon. Because to me, I'm just not even understanding how you receive something but you don't receive it, you know? Like, how did that happen? Like, in my head, y'all stole my inventory. Y'all said that too in the message. I'm like, y'all people, y'all employees is stealing stuff. Like, they wasn't trying to hear nothing I was saying. Like, I'm sitting here trying to talk. I'm talking to different people. And at that time, I could not figure out how to get somebody on the phone. Now I know how to get somebody on the phone, but I couldn't get anyone on the phone to, you know, just go off on. But yeah, they wasn't budging, so I just gave up, y'all. I didn't want that stressing me out. So yeah, I just want to bring up the situation to hopefully get some tips from you guys, and just to bring awareness to it, to let new resellers know that this could possibly happen to you, you know? So I think that's it. I hope that this video was helpful in some way. It definitely was not intended to put any fear in you. And, you know, I don't want you to not do it. I just want to let you know of a possibility of this happening doing retail arbitrage, y'all. But there's a downfall in pretty much everything you do, so don't not do it. We just want to see how to handle the situation, or if it's just something that you can't handle, it's just one of those things that you have to take as a loss, and it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? But overall, you're gonna make way more money than you lose, unless you just have one of those bad a bad month or something, which that's just business in general. That's life in general, y'all. You're gonna have some bad days. You're gonna have some, you know, in reselling, you'll make $500,000 in one day, and then next day you make $0. It just is what it is. So y'all, anyways, this fourth quarter, I hope everybody is doing well and making lots of greenery. And yeah, so I will see y'all in my next video, guys. If you are if you have sent me questions and stuff like that, y'all, I'm gonna get to the video. I promise. I'm not that consistent with Amazon. I mean, with YouTube, but I am working on it, y'all. As y'all can see, I have all this. If I have a picture, I'm gonna pop up where I was before. But I have 2 bins left of unlisted inventory. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a little tour right quick. And then this stuff I have to put away right here. And then I have some stuff right there I have to put away. And then I'm still trying to get rid of this bin. I'll probably go take it to a buy, sell, trade store or something like that. Y'all, I'm really just trying to. Then I have some books over here. And I'll probably ship those in this weekend. But I'm gonna go pick up some more books this weekend as well. I mean, ship it in Monday, but I'm gonna go do another store run and get some more books. I did pretty good with those. Those I paid 50 cents for. 50 cents a piece for, and that's some pretty good profits. Yeah, I think I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon, probably just like a Cash App or something, y'all. I'll put a few requirements down there to enter for the contest, and y'all just give a little bit of free Cash App, free money for y'all to go get some inventory or help pay a bill, whatever it is. I don't know. So I'll figure it out soon, y'all. Just stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, y'all. Make sure you just stay posted. Go and follow me on Instagram. The link is in the bio. I'm a little bit more active on there. You'll see like thrift tips and thrift videos and just quick things that I find when I go out and stuff like that. So that's it, y'all. I'll see you in my next video. Y'all stay blessed.